And welcome to Vaidika Dharma. I'm super excited to bring this offering to you now online as it's one of my favorite trainings. And the why is because we're going through the Vedic teachings and the Advaita Vedānta and the true purpose and the true meaning of yoga, which ultimately leads to Mokṣa, to this true liberation. Understanding that you are full and complete, that everything and anything that you're seeking is already here. You're already home. So in this training, I'm going to take you to the steps of sadhya, what is the main goal and the purpose of yoga. Then coming into the sadhana, what are the practices, the means to get to this goal, which is karma yoga. We're going to understand what karma yoga really means. Same as upasana yoga, go through the meditations and the breath and all of these practices that bring me to that freedom. And ultimately, jnana yoga, which is the knowledge of the self, understanding who you are, how to let go of the binding likes, binding dislikes to come back to that infinite, intelligent being, to tap into that non dual voice and know how to play this game of this world, but also understand your own true nature. And last but not least, the sadhaka, which is the student, how to qualify, how to go through dharma, understanding the value of values and living through integrity, living through dharma, and then being able to absorb this teaching. And the last bonus is going to join forces with the business of yoga, bringing you wealth, bringing you a successful and sustainable life, weaving the Vedic tradition into your own creations. So I'm absolutely stoked. Please feel free to come by, click, sign up, ask me questions, and enjoy this beautiful training now in the abode of your home temples. Thank you. Om. Mwah.